This week on What's in the Warehouse, we're responding to a Traction Tribe question about the Carlisle Stryker. Michael wants to know, is the Stryker a good all-around tire? And will it fit my 86 Honda 250 ES Big Red? The Stryker features a unique tread pattern with offset Chevron lugs that excel at self-cleaning. These hard-riding, long-wear tires use a knobby shoulder for grip on turns. Combining these features makes them great on all types of terrain. Bonus, they can be used on ATVs, UTVs, and golf carts. But will it fit? On a 10-inch rim, these tires have a mounted diameter of 25.2 inches and a mounted width of 12.24 inches. So, if you've run mounted 12-inch tires before, these should work. If you haven't, it's possible these may be too wide. Our team recommends the Carlisle Turf Tamer Knobby as an alternative. While they're listed as a 25 by 12 by 9, they have a mounted width of 11 inches. What are your thoughts, Traction Tribe? Have you had any experience with this? Share your insights in the comments below.